Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you a simple way to remove ads from Safari completely free. So without further ado, let's get started. If we launch Safari and visit any website, for this video, I will use the Times of India as an example. Notice how there are ads everywhere. This happens on every browser like Chrome, but with Chrome, we can use free ad blockers for clean experience. Now let's try the same on Safari, which is perfect for Mac as it is optimized for Mac and saves more battery. First, open Spotlight and search for the App Store. Once you are in the App Store, type uBlock Origin Lite, or you can just use the link in the description. Click the Get button to install. Authenticate if prompted and wait for it to finish. Once done, open the app and a pop-up will appear. Select Quit and open Safari Extensions. Preferences. In the Preferences window, enable uBlock Origin Lite by ticking the box. You will see the uBlock extension icon at the top of Safari. Click on it, set filtering mode to complete, and refresh your web page. All the ads should disappear now. If the extension asks for permission, just click Allow for every website. Don't worry, you can always change this later in Safari website preferences. Bonus: uBlock Origin Lite also has an element zapper mode. It lets you temporarily hide any part of a website so you can have a great reading experience or grab a clean screenshot. So that's for this video. If you found this helpful, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe for any easy Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.